this is Chris McCarran from GoGoChimp, and today a landing page breakdown for a landing page that we did recently for one of our clients called Flikli. Flikli do animated videos that are a part of your sales funnel in your website, and they're specifically made and tailored in order to get you more sales. Now, Flikli originally had a website that looked corporate and had a lot of information on the page. So as the company does animation, I wanted to really convey that on the landing page. Typically, I don't tend to have animation or any movement on the landing page like this rocket, simply because it tends to draw the person's eye away from the call to action or what it is that I predominantly want them to look at. However, there are certain ways that you can use images. For example, you can see the rockets actually facing the Get Pricing button. And because we naturally follow the eye line of a person or naturally follow the direction of an object, people who are looking at this landing page, if they're not looking at the predominant text and call to action, they will look at the Get Pricing button. I also wanted to convey that it's a fun brand and that they deal with animation opposed to live action. So obviously you want a really strong call to action. This area is called above the fold, and essentially it's really important for two primary reasons. The first one is that this is what people see when they first arrive at the website. Secondly, it's going to get you the maximum number of conversions. Now, because people arrive at this area, to put it bluntly, people have the attention span of a goldfish when it comes to websites. I believe that it's in the region of 5 seconds that basically people are willing to donate their time in order to really get what it is that you do. And because of that, it's paramount that you keep your messaging as simple as possible. So you need to convey what you do, why they need it, and the primary benefits within a very short period of time. So that means you have to have crystal clear messaging. Now, we actually use 2 headings here. We've got animated video production. So again, very easy to understand what it is that this landing page is about, what the website is about, and what the business is about. And here's the primary benefit. So your sales funnel performance is about to take off. And underneath that, we've got Get Pricing Now button. And then next to that is Watch Our Show Reel. Obviously, people are going to want to see samples of work. And normally what I would have in this area here is a banner with all the different companies that the company has had as clients. So you'd have a list of clients. But in this case, we've got client videos. And this is only a snapshot of the companies that they've dealt with. So we've got IBM, Oracle, and the United Nations. And also people want to check out examples of their work. So we've got Lightbox with a dark background so that the lightbox stands out. We've then got bullet points to make it easy in order to understand what it was that they did for IBM. We've got a strong call to action button. Underneath we've got testimonial for social proof, as well as to establish more trust. People could play the video. It plays away. Now, it takes them straight to the Get Pricing button, which is in order to fill out this form. Now, interestingly, this form here, over 30% of people visiting this website look at this form. It's really exciting. We've got more, all the different brands that they've worked with. So they worked with Walmart, Manulife, Aviva, etc. One thing that you always want to be thinking about is that people that are visiting your landing page are just skimming. And so what you want to do is you want to convey all the information that you possibly can within a really short period of time. And you're trying to draw them in and get them to actually then to find out more detailed information. And you want to ultimately answer all the different questions that people have. Thankfully, that's the feedback we've been getting about this landing page. Not only are people really impressed by the design, but clients as well as prospects have been saying that the landing page just instantly answers all the questions that people have, which is absolutely fantastic and precisely what we want to be able to do. So we've got beautiful 2D animation that helps you sell. So we've got segment audiences, personalization, fewer gut decisions, 0 distractions, immersive video, buyer psychology, etc. And again, so people can really pick up on what it is that you're offering. And obviously, again, if they want to find out more information, they read the text underneath. Now, a lot of this text underneath, we did a lot of research into the terminology and language that customers use. I won't really go into it in too much depth in this video, but I will be covering it in the future. We essentially look at a lot of reviews, a lot of forums, any sites that basically the target demographic is engaging with and actually using their own terminology and language on. We then look to identify patterns, likes, dislikes, as well as, what language they use, what terminology do they use, and what's the most common terminology and language used. What are the most common likes and what are the most common dislikes. And by being able to do that, we can then shape the copy in such a way that it's really going to resonate with them. And that always has a really positive effect on conversion rates. Underneath, we've got a great big whopper of a testimonial. We're just seeing our work, how we'll get you results, and a final call to action. Now, notice that there's no social media links on here. There's nothing to sign up to a newsletter. Reason is that we don't want people to be distracted. We want them completely focused on this. We've got the about section, again, using a lightbox. Now, don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be doing more of these landing page breakdowns. So smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.